Today, if you want to create YouTube videos without showing your face, without any fancy camera or any expensive equipments, then it is absolutely possible. Today you don't need to spend a lot of money on the setup. You can just make the YouTube videos using free tools like Canva. Let me show you how you can do that easily. Let's go to the Canva. Here in the Canva app, we will go to the left top corner. Here you can see the create button. You will click on create. Once you click on create, you will see the options of like for you, presentation, social media, photo editor, videos, printables. So we need to make the video, so we click on videos. Once you click on videos, you will have the options of landscape video for full screen, or like for computer, televisions, or you can just go for the mobile videos. So according to your choice, you will select the format, or we will click on landscape videos. So we will click on that. Once you click on that, you will see the canvas where you will create your video. So for example, I want to create the video about digital marketing. So we need to click on element. Now we will write grid background. Now you see there are a lot of options have come, like videos, graphics, photos. So we need a video background, so we will click on see all. So there are a lot of backgrounds which you can use to create the video. So you need to select a background according to your choice, according to the video you're making. So there are a lot of backgrounds. For example, we will select this one. So here we have selected this background. We will check and we will play it. So that's how it's working. Now for example, we need to add some text here. So we will click on that, and we will select add a heading. We will type here, what is digital marketing? So I'm showing you just for the example. You can make the video according to your need. So in the first frame we have wrote like what is digital marketing. So here is your timeline, and here you can see the text we added will reflect here in the timeline. If you want to drag it, you can drag it anywhere, and if you want to make it a animated text, you can click on the text. Then here you can see the option of animate, so you can click on animate. Then you will see in the left side there are so many options of the animation, like you will just hover your mouse on to the first one, you will see animation. The second one is that, the third one is like this, fourth one is like this, the fifth one is like this. So making animation is really simple and it looks good as well. So we will select the second one, and we can also adjust the speed of the animation as well according to our need, and we can do the reverse animation in this as well. So we have added the first text. Now if we need to add some shape here, so that we can also add, like we can click on elements, and we will click on graphics. Here you can type digital marketing and you will search. So here you can see a lot of option has come. You can select as per your choice which one suits you best. Like we will select so we will select this one. Just for example, we will minimize it, and we will also see when should this reflect in our timeline. So we want it just a second after the text. So we will just adjust it according to that. And if we want to animate this, so we will click on animate. So here you have the option of animating, like it will come as zoom, it will come as slide, then it will come like the old TV effect, like it can come as a wave, then it can also come as brush, ink. So there are a lot of options. There are a lot of good options that will make your video so much better. So we will select, for example, this one. Now we will just play it once more. What is digital marketing? We need to adjust the timing. We want it just after the text. So I'll show you like what is digital marketing, and just like that we will keep making the next scene. Here on the plus icon you can upload or add some stock video or something like that, and you can increase the length of this as well by adding it, and you can also decrease the time of this as well, like sliding it. So it is pretty much customizable and you can create things very easily. So here you can see there are different apps as well, like you want to text to video, you don't want to use your voice, so you will write text to video, text to audio. So you will see the option how you can just generate writing the text. Here you can check the voice has been generated, and we will check it by playing.
What is digital marketing?
You can see the voice quality is so much better. Now we will generate the next voice. We will select the male voice now, and we will write the answer here.
Digital marketing is the act of promoting products, services, or brands using the internet and the web.
Now we will generate this voice. So now we will check it.
Digital marketing.
Digital marketing is the act of promoting products, services, or brands using the internet and electronic devices, such as computers and smartphones.
So we'll need to drag it to increase its time.
Digital marketing is the act.
So we will limit the first one text till the voice. Now we will add another text. Click on heading and we will paste the answer here. We'll drag it and we can resize it as well. Now we will add the animation here in this. Now we will play the video, how it goes. We will add some graphics as well. For example, we will add this graphic here to explain what is digital marketing. We can also add some animation here. Like this. Now we will play the video and see how it goes.
What is digital marketing?
Digital marketing is the act of promoting products, services, or brands using the internet and electronic devices such as computers and smartphones.
So you can see we have made a short video. This video was just to show you how you can make the video, and you can click here on the download button and you can download the video as well in MP4 format. So that's how you can make the videos using Canva, and it is super easy. You can try it, and if you want to take the plan, you can take the plan as well, but you can make the video for free as well.